Hi everyone, we're back one more time. I read to you chapter 4 yesterday. You should have finished your reading comprehension questions for chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4. If you did not do that, today is another day for you to do that, but we are still working. So I am going to tell you where you can go. You need to go on Canvas, go into assignments, and sorry, I'm wrong. Go onto Canvas, basic literature about society, go into the modules section, go to Scorpions, and look at vocabulary list number 2. So you can pause this video anytime you want to. If you want to go grab those things, that is fine. But as you are doing that, I am not going to pause. I'm going to bring up the list of words on my computer, so I am going to read them down with you. Just give me a second. I'm trying to grab them all here. Yes. Okay. Number 1, anecdote. 2, assert. 3, attribute. 4 is to bear, not the animal. Is to bear something. When you're bearing the burden of something, it's bear. Number 5 is to befall. 6, virgin. 7, coherent. 8, contour. 9, convicted. 10, depict. 11, hollowed. 12, pivoted. 13, plantains. These are bananas. Bananas. Tommy just came in the room. So these are bananas that are not yellow at all on the outside. They're actually like very deep green on the outside. So you don't eat them like you would a fruit. You actually cook with them. They're delicious. So that's plantains. Risotto is number 14. That is it's a meal that you are making. It's a Spanish meal. And 15, veered. So define all these words and make sure that you have the part of speech. When we get back, we will discuss what we're going to do regarding quizzing and things like that. But these words are important for you to read. You now, with list 2, have every single vocabulary word in the whole entire book of Scorpions. Okay, there are 20 chapters. There are not many words that you don't know. I pulled whatever I could. You'll see that they're on the reading comprehension questions that you had to. So again, to reiterate, you should already be finished with chapters 2, 3, and 4 reading comprehension questions. Your assignment today is to define all 15 words with their parts of speech. Okay? If you have any questions while we're on in our session, you can use that chat section to ask me any question. Okay? Please make sure that when you're getting the definitions for these words, that you're not just writing down the definition that's there. Really understand what the word means, right? Don't just write down like 40 definitions, right? And especially with number 4, that's bear. Do not write an animal that lives in the woods, right? Thank you. All right, I'm going to miss your faces. I hope you guys are doing a really good job and you're having fun. See you tomorrow.